Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how you can download Loom videos. So I have recently created a video on how you can download a Facebook video, and after that I'm getting requests to make a video on how you can download Loom. So who doesn't know about Loom? It's a video recording software where you can just quickly record and it will get uploaded to the cloud, and very easy to share, with a bunch of editing tools as well if you buy them. But yeah, of course you can use the free version. It gives you up to 25 videos. So yeah, you should try it. Let's get back to the video. So first you need to go to this website. It's one of the reliable websites I have seen when it comes to downloading Loom videos, because there's a lot of websites, although in Google when you search for them, but everything doesn't work. So I've tried that, and I came out that this is a genuine tool. So first of all, grab your link, go to this website, paste it here, click on download, give it a few seconds. So it's ready for download. Click on that, this HD. So once you click on that, it'll start getting downloaded. So you can also share that to different social medias as well. Cool. So I think that's it. Let me know if you want any other tutorials. Good luck and goodbye.